Hi, I'm Lorely Clarion. I'm both custodian of Dalton Guzman. I'm applying for a music video in MTV Philippines.
MTV Asia ba to?
MTV Philippines. And this song is dedicated to all of you. To all of you, especially to Curious Action Remains Memorable Elements Last. I started my song. And this song is Honestly. I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I want to believe that love will still survive. You don't have to say it. I don't have to even say it. Kita na mo say it. You don't have to say it. I don't have
Sing in action.
to read your mind.
Read your mind.
To know the emptiness that's
Tara sa camera.
How was I to know the right from wrong? Words were hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you're still in love with me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Words are meaninglessly said at certain times. And all this to be alive.
Sige, katawa kay Kurubi akong video.
Me sometimes see if everything mo. Oh, she will be mine. Well, hindi naman eh. Asa naman yun? Well, love
Uy, klaro mga
forever, but someday I will find the world we sit all in search.
Guba man.
A piece of mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me honestly if you're still loving me, looking into my eyes. Honestly, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dili man ka nagbalik, no?
Line na po.